Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all good and doing well. Welcome back to our science class. This is your science teacher. How is your health children? Health is very important to us. So don't neglect about your health children. Okay? And don't waste your time at your home because time is very important. Watch the videos and understood the topic. Okay children? And so many times I told you that after watching the video, you must need to read a textbook. So, as early as possible, you take the textbooks also. Okay, children. Today, I have come up with one more science topic, that is the 11th lesson in our textbook. Once you see the blackboard, children, this is the class 2nd and subject science. Already, we completed the 10 lessons in our textbook. This is the 11th lesson, that is our body. What is the unit? Unit number 6. Our body health and hygiene. Here the 11th lesson is about our body. Okay children, are you ready to listen? Yes. From your childhood also, from your nursery, you have the lesson about our body parts. Yes or no? Yes. This is also very simple lesson. Listen. First of all, I told you that what are the topics we want to learn in this video. Okay children, first of all, in this video we learned about our body functions. Our body in this about bones and muscles. There are 206 bones in our body and 639 muscles. Here about bones and about muscles. Bones about skeleton. The skeleton gives shape and support our body, and what is called joint, and the bones protect the some inner organs like brain, heart and lungs. Okay, about that and about muscles in detail. What are muscles? What makes the muscles, how the muscles are useful to us? Okay, these are all the topics we learned in the muscles. And next one, care of bones and muscles. Care of bones and muscles. And next one about postures. What is a posture? The way we hold our body while sitting, standing and walking. Okay, postures. What are called postures and about postures. Next one. Okay, second of review. Finally wrap up. Okay children, these are the things I want to do in this video. Okay, let us enter into our topic. Listen carefully children. Our body helps in many functions. Yes or no? Yes, our body helps us in to do many works. It makes us to walk, play, to run and eat, write, anything, jump. These are all the functions we make by our body. Okay? Our body helps us to do many functions. మన శరీరం మనం చాలా రకరకాల పనులు చేయడానికి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. Like running, walking, eating, writing, drinking, whatever may be. It helps to do different functions. Okay children, here once you observe, if you press your upper arm and once you press like this, you feel something hard. Yes or no? You press like this, you feel something hard. Those are muscles. Basically our body is totally covered with skin. మన శరీరం అంతా చర్మంతో కప్పబడి ఉంటుంది. Yes or no? Our body is totally covered with skin. Here once you touch your hand and like this, press like this, you feel something hard. Yes or no? Once you test like this, you feel something hard. మనకు కొంచెం గట్టిగా అనిపిస్తుంది. Yes, there are muscles under the skin. There are muscles under the, like here also. There are muscles under the skin. Okay children, and if you press something harder, okay, press harder, ఇంకా కొంచెం గట్టిగా మీరు ప్రెస్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇంకా గట్టిగా మీకు ఏవో తగులుతున్నట్లు అనిపిస్తాయి. Those are nothing but bones. There are bones under the muscles. Okay, our body is totally covered with skin and there are muscles under the skin and there are bones under the muscles. Okay children, did you understand? These are the, here also this is a muscle. Okay, and in the fingers also here there are some muscles. Okay, and bones also there. These bones and muscles help us to move. మనం కదలడానికి ఈ muscles and bones అనేవి మనకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. Okay, without bones and muscles we do not move. Okay children, by muscles and bones they help to move. Okay children, remember that. Next I explained you that our body about bones and muscles. First of all we learned about bones. Okay, there are 206 bones in our body. Which number children? Yes, 206, 206. Okay, there are 206 bones in our body, and some bones are small and some bones are big. Some bones are very small and some bones are big. These all bones made together to form the skeleton. What is that children? Skeleton. Once you observe this skeleton, this is a skeleton. Here there are many bones. Clear? Kanipistunda? Yes, there are many bones. Okay children, these are bones. Some bones are small and some bones are long. Some are small. Okay, these are bones combined to form a skeleton. Okay, ఈ ఎముకలన్నీ కలిసి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుందంటే skeleton ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. Okay children, all bones combined to form a skeleton. Once you observe, this is the skeleton. Okay, and here once you observe skeleton, next one, there are the skeleton give shape and support to our body. The skeleton give shape and support to our body, and the joining of two bones is called a joint. The joining of two bones. For example, once you observe in this, once you observe a hand, one bone and another bone, there is a joining. The joining of two bones is called a joint. Okay children, did you understand? The joining of two bones is called a joint. Okay, here, and next one, the bones protect the inner organs like brain, heart and lungs. The bones protect the inner organs, inner important organs, brain, heart and lungs. Okay children, brain, once you observe the model of brain, once you observe, this is the brain. Okay, and not only brain, heart, once you observe the heart. Okay, brain, heart and lungs also children. What is that? Lungs. Once you observe the lungs. Okay, clear? The bones protect the inner organs like brain, lungs and heart. Okay, clear? This is the model of lungs. See, in the further classes we will learn more about these inner parts and these functions also. Okay children, just you see the model just now. Okay, it is enough to your standard. This is the one of the inner part, and bones are protected. Bones give protection to the inner parts like lungs, brain and what is the next one? Heart. Okay children, this is the model of lungs. Okay, clear? Okay, next, okay, did you understand about bones children? Once again I explain how many bones in our body. Yes, 206 bones. The bones, some are small and some are big, and all the bones combined together to form a skeleton. Skeleton means asthipanja. Already just now I showed to you. Okay, and the skeleton give shape and support to our body. And next one, the joining of two bones is called a joint. The joining of two bones is called a joint. Here, and the bones protect the inner organs like heart, lungs and brain. Okay children, and when we grow, the bones also grow longer, thicker and stronger. Okay, మనం పెరుగుతున్న కొలది మన బోన్స్ కూడా పెరుగుతాయి. Okay, longer, thicker and పొడవుగా, thicker means yes దళసరిగా, next one stronger means బలం when we grow the bones also grow. మనం పెరుగుతున్న కొద్దీ bones కూడా పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. Okay children, this is about bones. Next one about muscles. There are 639 muscles in our body. How many muscles children? 639. How many bones? 206. Okay, there are 639 muscles in our body. The muscles are attached to the bones. The muscles are attached to the bones. ఈ కండరాలు అనేవి bones కి అంటిపెట్టి ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, అతుక్కొని ఉంటాయి. The muscles are attached to the bones and the muscles make the bones to move. Okay, the muscles make the bones to move. And next one, bones and muscles are covered by skin. Already I told you, the muscles and bones in our body are covered by skin. మన శరీరం అంతా చర్మంతో కప్పబడి ఉంటుంది. Here, and the bones and muscles work together to help us to move. Bones and muscles రెండు కలిసి పనిచేసి మనం మూవ్ అవడానికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి. మూవింగ్ మీన్స్ మనం కదలడానికి. Here, moving is nothing but run, walk, ride, eat, sit, play and etc. anything. These are some of the functions. The bones and muscles work together and help us to run, walk, ride, eat, sit, stand, play and etc. Okay children, here and next one, there are short muscles. There are short muscles in the, okay children, in the heart. There are small muscles. There are small muscles which help us to open and close our eyelids. Okay children, once you observe your eye, these are the eyebrows. You know that these are the eyebrows and these are the eyelashes and these are the eyelids. Okay children, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelids. Okay, the small muscles which help us to open and close the eyelids. Okay, these are the eyelids. Here also there are small muscles which help us to close and open our eyelids. కళ్ళు మనం మూయడానికి మరియు తెరవడానికి కూడా ఆ మజిల్స్ అనేవి మనకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. బట్ హియర్ there are very small muscles. Okay children, and there are special type of muscles in heart and lungs. Okay, those muscles work as long as we live. మనం బతుకున్నంత కాలం ఆ మజిల్స్ వర్క్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. There are special type of muscles which are in heart and lungs. ఆ మజిల్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయంటే హార్ట్ మరియు లంగ్స్. Okay, heart and lungs. Once you observe the models of heart and lungs, this is the lungs. Okay, this special type of muscles are in the lungs. Okay children, which work as long as we live. మనం జీవితాంతం బతుకున్నంత కాలం ఇవి వర్క్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. Okay, which muscles children? Yeah, the lungs muscles and the heart muscle. Okay, the muscles in the heart also. This is the model of the heart. Okay children, okay, these muscles are work as long as we live. Okay, this is about bones and muscles. Once I revise what we learned here. There are 206 bones in our body and 639 muscles in our body. The bones some are small and some are big. Those bones combine to form the skeleton. The skeleton give shape and support to our body. The joining of two bones is called a joint. Okay, and the bones protect the inner organs, important organs like brain, heart and lungs. Okay, and about muscles, the muscles are attached to the bones. The muscles make the bones to move and bones and muscles covered by the skin. Here bones and muscles work together and help us to move like run, walk, sit, stand, play and etc. Okay, and there are small muscles in the eyelids. They help us to open and close the eyelids. And next one, there are special type of muscles in the heart and lungs. They work as long as we live. మన జీవితాంతం కూడా అవి వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి muscles. Okay children, and next one, care of bones and muscles. The muscles and bones are help us in many ways. Yes or no? But how much care of bones and muscles? మనం ఎలాంటి జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాలి? ఓకే, ఈ బోన్స్ అండ్ మజిల్స్ ని కోసం ఎలాంటి జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాలని చూడండి. కేర్ ఆఫ్ బోన్స్ అండ్ మజిల్స్. Basically, to keep our bones and muscles is very important. Okay, to keep our bones and muscles very healthy. Okay, here we do the exercises regularly, then the bones and muscles be strong. Exercise makes the muscles and bones strong, and we use them regularly. మనం రెగ్యులర్ గా ఈ బోన్స్ మజిల్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తేనే అవి బాగా వర్క్ చేస్తాయి, లేకుంటే బాగా వర్క్ చేయవు. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, if you buy a knife, if we do not use for a long period, what will happen? Yes, the knife is spoiled, it becomes rusted. Like that, the bones and muscles also, when we use, then only it works properly. Okay children, so we use the bones and muscles regularly, and exercise makes the bones and muscles strong, and play games also give exercise to the muscles and bones. Okay, and next one, the exercise makes us healthy. Okay children, this is about care of bones and muscles. About postures. Okay children, this is about care of bones and muscles. Next one, postures. To keep our bones and muscles in a good shape, we must develop a good posture. Okay, posture is nothing but a way we hold our body while sitting, standing and walking. Okay children, posture is nothing but భంగిమ. మనం కూర్చునేటప్పుడు, నిల్చునేటప్పుడు మన బాడీని ఎలా ఉంచుతున్నామా అనేది ఒక posture గా చెప్పొచ్చు. Posture is nothing but is a way we hold our body while sitting, standing and walking. Okay children, posture means భంగిమ. మనం ఎలా కూర్చుంటామో, ఎలా నిల్చుంటామో, అండ్ వాకింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు, నడిచేటప్పుడు మన బాడీని ఎలాంటి posture లో ఉంచాలో చూడండి. Here, to develop the good posture, for example, when we stand with a erect and back straight. Erect means నిటారుగా నిల్చోవాలి, back straight గా నిటారుగా నిల్చోవాలి. Okay, don't stand like here, like bending. Okay, don't bend when stand. Okay, here when we sit or stand, we have to do erect. Okay, erect means నిటారుగా కూర్చోవడమైనా నిల్చోవడమైనా నిటారుగా కూర్చోవాలి, నిటారుగా నిల్చోవాలి. Okay children, and next one, we keep the weight equally on the two legs. Okay children, మన weight ని మన two legs కి కూడా ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండేటట్లు మనం చూసుకోవాలి. మన weight అంతా ఒకవైపు వాల్చకూడదు, అండ్ అలాగే ఇంకా వెనక లెగ్ కూడా ఇవ్వకూడదు. We must see the weight is equally on the two legs. Okay children, and next one, at the time of walking, we have to walk straightly, and we have to move our hands very freely like this. Okay children, don't hesitate here. We have to move our hands freely, and we have to walk also freely and erect. Erect means, here you remember one word, erect, ERECT. Erect means నిటారుగా. కూర్చోవడమైనా, నిల్చోవడమైనా, నడిచేటప్పుడైనా మనం మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా నిటారుగా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, బెండ్ అయిపోకూడదు. ఓకే, that is about posture children. Once again I tell, to keep the bones and muscles in a good shape, we have to develop the good posture. Okay, posture is a way we hold our body while sitting, standing and walking. Here, when at the time of walking, we have to be erect and we have to be straight, back straight and head high. తల అనేది స్ట్రైట్ గా ఉంచాలి, కిందకి దించకూడదు. ఓకే, నడిచేటప్పుడైనా, మాట్లాడేటప్పుడైనా, ఎప్పుడైనా. ఓకే, and next one, at the time of sitting and standing, we have to erect with our back. Okay, నిటారుగా కూర్చోవాలి, నిటారుగా నిల్చోవాలి. Then automatically a good posture is developed. Then the bones and muscles are in good shape. Okay, this is about posture children. Okay, and they work together and they help us to move like run, walk, play, anything. Okay children, and next one, they help us to heart and lungs. There are a special type of muscles in the heart and lungs. They work as long as we live. And next about care of bones and muscles. How care of exercises give the strength to bones and muscles, and exercise make us healthy. Play games. Here we learn that. And next one about postures. A good posture is necessary to keep the bones and muscles in a good shape. Okay children, very simple. This lesson is over. Okay, in the next video I have come up with this